Thank you for joining me. This is Fly My Mavic. Android 1.5.0 for the DJI Fly app. It's just been released. Well, I've just found it available now. I'm not sure how many people have upgraded already. The question, of course, is does it fix one, the light issue, and two, the yaw reset values? It's also been updated on my iOS phone, so I'm going to be trying that one as well. Now we know iOS also had a problem with the 1.4.12 that didn't fit the yaw reset issue, although it did fix the light, which isn't too bad at all really. So let's go across to the phone and we'll download it and we'll install it and we'll see what it does. Okay, it's downloaded. Tap on it, stage the app, and let it install. What I'll do is I will do an update to the existing version, and then what we'll do is we'll do a clean install and see whether or not that makes any difference if the bugs haven't been fixed in it yet. Gonna let that install through. Okay, that's now installed, so click on done, and what we'll do is we'll get it into the controller, put the quad on, DJI Fly just once. I don't know why I don't choose always. To improve your data, Android 12 requires data generated by an app to also be stored in the app. In accordance with this, DJI Fly's added app album to allow users to store files downloaded from their aircraft. Users have the choice to manage files in app album or sync them to their phone album. Alright, okay. Do you wish to make a copy of all DJI files stored in your phone album and save to app album for better file management? Okay, we'll go with yes on that. Let it reinitialize its data. I think that means it's going to create a separate folder on your phone rather than you having to sort of find them in some weird folder that DJI tends to put them in. We'll have a look at that later. Okay, so let's tap on the three dots and we're going to go to control, and we want to have a look at the light settings, which are at the moment shown as disabled. So let me just have a look now. As you can see, it is disabled. If I now change to rainbow, we now get rainbow, which is really good. And if we change to breathing, and we can pick the colour, we'll go with dark purple. So yes, they've actually fixed the light issue, which is really good. Okay, most important though is back to the app, and I'm looking for the advanced gimbal settings. So in the advanced gimbal settings then, we know the issue was with anything to do with yaw. Let's go down to the bottom, so yaw smoothness and yaw rotation speed. Just see if the reset does work. We'll just move pitch smoothness to full and hit reset, and that does. Now I'm going to move yaw rotation speed. Hitting reset doesn't do anything. Yaw smoothness doesn't do anything. Surprise, surprise, DJI have not fixed the yaw reset issue in the app. That really is a massive big shame. I would have thought they'd have got that fixed. They had 4 tries in the 1.4.12. Had another try in 1.5.0 and they still can't fix it. Okay, so I've got the Fly app installed, and at the moment we'll just look, the light is doing the static purple I set it to. So first thing I'm going to do is just go into control and we'll see whether the light is working okay. Actually, we'll just change the front LED. Yeah, the light seems to be working. Can we disable it? Yes, we can. So the light's working, which is good. Well, we knew that because the previous version had working light. We now need to go into advanced gimbal settings and we'll see whether or not this works. So change that to 100, hit reset, and lo and behold, nope, doesn't do it in that one either. Pitch speed, reset, yep, so it's still the yaw settings still don't work on iOS either. So iOS and Android both got this small niggle that DJI still haven't sorted out. So there you go. iOS and Android both have the same small niggle with the yaw reset, but they fixed the lights. And I'm still a little bit disappointed that DJI, as I said, have had 4 attempts on the Android version and 2 attempts now on the iOS version, and they still haven't sorted out that little minor niggle. It worries me because, you know, it's a simple little thing, and they've been notified about it. I've posted about it, plenty of others have posted about it, but as I said before, if an app has got a bug, then it's not been written right. If it's not been written right, you don't know what else is wrong with it. So, as previously, my advice is to stick with the 1.4.8, unless you need the 1.5 if you just become a Mavic 3 owner. Congratulations to those who have brought the Mavic 3. Hopefully it's as good a quad as, well, as you hope it's going to be. I can't see myself spending sort of £4 grand, £2 grand, whatever the price was on the Mavic 3 at this moment in time, maybe somewhere down the line. I still like my little Mini 2. I think it's a brilliant little bit of kit, and I don't think I'd ever give it up either. So anyway, let me just turn the power off on that. There we go. It's getting a little bit warm, that. So yeah, small niggle on the app still. But as I said, if you need it, upgrade it. If you don't need it, then maybe still stick with the 1.4.8. Just my advice. Take it or leave it. It's entirely up to you. But that's it. Thanks very much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again real soon.